There was a pharmaceutical company that had decided they were going to start out with discovery. So I got to go there and I watched as a new discovery tool got rolled out in their environment. The receptionist takes me to the conference room and said they'll be here in a bit. Half hour goes past, I go back out. Hey, am I like in the wrong place? No, you're at the right place. Don't worry, they'll be here. Well, it was a few hours. What happened was that night before we left, we enabled passive discovery in their environment. Well, they were in the process in the middle of drug testing, so they've filled out all the paperwork and they said, hey, this is a highly controlled environment, these devices don't change, our networks don't change, and suddenly that morning they had 30% more machines than they thought. So they were attempting that whole morning to figure out how they were going to tell the FDA regulators that, yeah, nothing changed, we just found these machines. Is our 4 months or 6 months of drug tests that we've been doing valid or invalid? It was a huge deal in a highly regulated environment for a minor change of active discovery to passive discovery. Well, their machines, what really had happened was their machines were highly locked down. Once you started passively watching for them, well, they made traffic on the network and we were able to find them. So those machines had always been there. Nothing had changed, but now they had an accurate report.